Ooh, good evening everybody. Sawadee Krap. Look at this. It's a beautiful, peaceful night. We are in Lampang, Thailand. Definitely off the tourist trail here. We're just maybe an hour or two east, kind of south I think as well, of Chiang Mai. And I'm pretty excited. This has been a pretty cool city so far. I got in yesterday, took an overnight bus from Khon Kaen. If you watch those videos, those were kind of cool seeing, you know, another lesser traveled part of Thailand. And I kind of dig the off the tourist trail vibe. If you know me, you know Chiang Mai is one of my favorite cities. Krabi, Phuket, even Bangkok's all right. But everyone goes to those places, you know? So this is my 5th time in Thailand. Spent many months here over the years. So I wanted to kind of check out some spots where not too many tourists go. And I think so far I've maybe seen 2 gringos in the day and a half I've been here. So we're just kind of walking through the city here. We do have a destination in mind. I wanted to check out a market, and I think in a few minutes we're gonna be walking by a temple. We'll see if anything's cool with that. So to get here, relatively easy to take a bus. Train I'm not too sure about, but bus or taxi from like Chiang Mai, probably the easiest city to get here from. Versus my journey was a little more tedious. So Khon Kaen is a lot more east, you know, kind of the whole eastern half of Thailand. A little more challenging to get to. I took I think it was a 7-8 hour train ride to get there from Bangkok. And then to get here from Khon Kaen, it's an overnight bus ride. I had to leave really late at night. It was around 10:30 p.m. And for those of you who were watching my Khon Kaen videos, in the last video I said, what am I gonna do? Because my hotel checks out at noon. How am I gonna kill that time? Well, I just spent 14 bucks and booked my room for 1 extra day and just checked out early. Definitely a good idea. Instead of just wandering around all day wasting money. And then my other snag that turned out okay was that that overnight bus was going to arrive in Lampang around 8:30 a.m. and the check-in at my current hotel wasn't until 2 p.m. Now I emailed through booking, you know, saying, hey, I'm gonna get here early. I know check-in's not till later. Can I at least drop my bags off? I'll just explore around town during the day, no big deal. They were cool with that. So I get to town, get to my hotel around 9 a.m. and I was tired. I didn't sleep much on the bus. Slept okay, but still not that much. I was tired. Just wanted to shower, get some air conditioning, take a nap. But I had like 5 hours to kill. And bless this hotel. They gave me my key right then, said enjoy your stay. So I couldn't have been happier. Yesterday I relaxed, I got some work done, walked around town a bit. Today, just got more work done. So I'm finally getting out of the room for the evening. It was like in 95 degrees all day today, so I was happy to hide and get some work done in the air conditioning. And all I had today was breakfast. It was a real good breakfast. It was included with my hotel. But boy, do I have an appetite. So hopefully this market has some cool stuff. I'm ready to chow down. Okay, and here's that temple I was expecting. It is called Wat Chetawan. And if you've been following the past few videos, one thing I keep seeing as a reoccurring theme is that Thai architecture and Thai temples can vary quite a bit when you're outside of the main cities. Now before we go in, let's do a little walk around outside, see what cool stuff we see. Statue of Buddha and a stupa. Nice. A reclining Buddha. Let's take our shoes off. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful paintings. Sorry, Cup. Cup, thank you. All right, pretty cool. So today's focus of this video isn't necessarily spending our whole time in temples. It does seem like with Lampang, when you kind of Google what there is to do, a lot of the stuff is temples on like the different top 10 lists and stuff like that. Now tomorrow I plan on starting earlier, whether it's hot or not, and we are going to check out some of the more elaborate, fancier, famous temples here, because they do seem pretty interesting. Some horse-drawn carriages. Wasn't expecting that. Kind of cool. And I was just thinking to myself, not many tuk-tuks in this town. Sodi Kap, how are you? Okay, so many distractions to get to the market, but I figured I'd walk through here. We have a little community park, and this I believe is like a city museum, maybe some history of the region. It's called Museum Lampang. Sawasdee Kap, hello, nice to meet you.
Where you come from?
America. Very nice to meet you. So you definitely stick out here as a tourist, but everyone, typical Thailand fashion, is very friendly, just like that. And this is a pretty cool, I don't know if this is like a temple or a memorial or something. Very cool. Look at this. Do a little lap around the outside, and I'm gonna see what Google Maps says. So when I zoom in on Google Maps, oh, here we go. Lampang City Pillar Shrine. Neat. For a second, it wasn't showing up on Google Maps, but I think it's just my phone service right now. Beautiful chandelier. Let's just assume no shoes. Wasn't expecting to see a lot of this stuff, but that's how it goes, you know, it's a first impressions tour of the city. So I believe the market is that way. And there's another cool building, a couple. So let us go back to Google Maps before I get too lost. And I forget if I said it or not, the market we're trying to go to, Kad Kong Ta Street Market. So it's open Saturdays and Sundays from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. according to Google. Now we're 8 minutes away, but we've been around 10 minutes away for a while now because we keep getting distracted. But we're on course now, for now. And what I'm excited about this market is too, because this isn't such a tourist-focused city, like say Chiang Mai, Bangkok, etc. I think it might be a little more interesting in the sense that it'll be less focused on the souvenirs and novelty food, and it's going to be more like what the locals like to eat. You know, there might be some non-food stuff there, but again, I think things that are more focused on, you know, for locals to be buying. Okay, so Google Maps has taken us down this little market street here, which is good because I would have been bummed not seeing this. This already looks pretty cool too. And I think it's okay to start snacking if we see something good. Ooh, can I get like a lemon juice? I think we're gonna do that. You know me and my lemon drinks. Okay, first treat of the night. This is like orange juice with lime. It was 13 baht. Very cold, sweet, and refreshing. And then, you know me guys, shawarma. I gotta get some. Let's see here. Sawasdee.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, good.
Can you like
Can I do the chicken and can I have cheese on it as well? Thank you. Kapung kap.
mix together?
Yeah, can I do a little bit of each?
Okay.
Yes, thank you. How long has your stand been here? How many years?
16 years.
16 years? Oh, good. That's how we know we're getting good food, guys. All right, look at this, guys. So it was 50 baht, and so it was 40 baht for the chicken, and then an extra 10 baht for the slice of cheese. Let's check it out. Okay, pretty good. Look at that. Just what I needed. Standard shawarma. Everything tastes fresh. Perfect way to start the night. Little bugs. Sawasdee krap. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, so we stopped by this little pastry place right here. Everything's being kind of made fresh. So the first little thing is like a chicken curry pastry. This was 10 baht, so like 30 cents. Take a look in there. Really, really good, really flaky. Kind of like maybe sweet potato in there, some sort of potato. Okay, and here's the other pastry we got. So these are pretty fresh, they're still warm. And I think she said it was like sweet bean or sweet pea. Couldn't totally understand her. They had a few different flavors. She recommended this one. Let's check it out. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, delicious. So I only ate one of the four. I'm gonna save those for later. Those were 35 baht, so not bad for the four of them. Some lovely music. Now we are like on the other side here. So let's see what we got going on. One thing I wanted to point out is look at how cool the buildings are on this street. Very kind of like retro style. No idea the term, but it has like an older feel. I think we might have found dinner, guys. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of a cool older street. You can tell the buildings are older, kind of more authentic feeling. I don't know if that's the right word. Yeah. So we covered all the bases of the market. I think it's time we get some noodles. All right, guys, look at that. Got some noodles. There's not like any tables over there, and so she just gives everything to go. So honestly, I'm not that hungry. I think I'm gonna save this when I get back to my room later. That was only 20 baht, which is just under 60 cents. So super good price. So that's where I think I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I'm scatterbrained right now because there's still cool looking stuff, but this video doesn't need to go on all night. You guys got the hint. Yeah, Lampang, it's pretty cool so far. Guys, I recommend you come and visit here. Everyone's super friendly, things are affordable, it's a nice chill vibe. So anyway guys, Lampang gets a thumbs up from me. We do have 1 or 2 more videos coming from here, so look forward to seeing those. But yeah, this is just kind of a first impressions video. Let me know in the comments, what snack looked best to you? You know, did I skip over something I should have tried? The things I got, what looked tastiest to you? So anyway, it was fun hanging out. I love you guys. Like, subscribe. I'll see you later.